Hello, my name is Christine and I am one of the team members of Klink POS and I am sales and tech support. In this video, you will see the glimpse of the Cash Register Express and the basic and features that we offer. As you can see, you will now have the screen of the Cash Register Express. We have the void invoice, patron hold control, CS lookup options, the different payment methods. The TS lookup serves as the scanning of the item or searching for the item. For example, the barcode is not working, you can simply go to the category or department of the item that you are looking for and then just click the item and it will be added to the transaction. As for the quantity, you can change the quantity by clicking this button and enter the quantity as much as the stocks wants or the customer wants. There you go. So you can also create a discount. So there you go. You will click percentage off. So it will be lessened by 10% off. And then you can go ahead and add another item. So what if the client wants to remove an item? You just have to simply click delete. And what if there is a sudden price of change, like there has been a discount or for some reason the price has been changed? You can just simply click price change. So the normal price is $8.29. You can simply put $5.29. So there you go. That is how to add in items for the transactions. So to void the invoice, just simply click Ctrl V or click this button and there you go. So now you can add another items for another customer and then pay. There you go. What if there is a customer? So let's try adding a transaction. And then suddenly he or she needs to grab some items and there is a customer that next in line. So you just want to click on hold and enter on hold ID. So we'll just have to enter any ID. So we have entered 0101. Just simply click pay and then in here you can see the different type of payment methods. So we have the cash, external credit card, the check, gift card, debit, and EBT. So you can simply just put here the exact amount or $73 or $75, but under the bottom part of the screen you can also see here the $73. So it would ask if you want to print the receipt. You can simply select yes or no. Earlier we have the fetch on hold, so you can just simply click that since we have under the on hold ID which is 010, and there you go. The customer can pay for this transaction now. So this Cash Register Express has a features that is best for the admin use and employee use. So in cashier or as an employee, we have the open drawer, clock in, clock out, recall invoice, recall on hold invoice, receipt plus print receipt, and many more. As in the invoice properties, we also have the invoice discount, notes, tax exempt invoice, tax exempt additional items, desired grand total, print items for last invoice, cash out gift card. And in here we have the tools. So we have the labor scheduler, inventory transfer, the payroll, which is good feature for the employees, the wage calculator, QuickBooks, sales batch scheduler, cash transfer, vendor payouts, sale batch number tracking, send mass email, and inventory track express and end of the day. So in setup, this is which we customize the screen for the cash register express. So we have here the cost markup, customer loyalty, price levels, setup screen, display setup, general invoice notes, e-commerce setup, tax rates, touchscreen configuration, price batches, friendly printer setup, barcode express, self-service, and virtual poll configuration. This administrative feature is very suitable for the manager, supervisor, or such as the owner. So we have here the inventory maintenance, the customization of item goals, the adding of the items, the print labels, and the keyboard. As for the item, we have here different options that you can customize. So you have here the department for the item number. You can also customize the description. And once you've added an item, you can just simply put the average cost and the price you charge and select which tax that is on the screen. So you can also put the number in stock for the item, so you can just simply look at the inventory and see how much is the item that is going in and out. So we also have here the ordering info. This is the good feature that is suitable for the vendors. So for example, you want to reorder a special item, so you'll just have here the reorder quantity, reorder level, reorder cost, and vendor part number. So we also have here the special pricing. So for example, you have a promo ongoing on your store or on your business. So this is also a good. So this matrix picture is good for retail. For example, clothing. So you have here the style, size, and colors. So you also have here the sales history. So you can see we have the thing type, store ID, invoice number, the quantity, price per item, and cost per item, and a customer number. So recipe, this is very good feature for the restaurants. So for example, for each item you want to add in recipe. And we also have here the printers. So you can add printer, add monitor. So when adding an item, you can just simply click which department that items are to belong, or you can simply create an item. So to add an item, just simply select item type. So we have here the standard, choice item, modifier group, coupon, pay in, payout, or kit. So you can simply just select standard item. So we have here different categories or departments. So you can just select liquor, the item number. You can customize the item number, or if you have a synchronized item number, that will be also good. So you can just simply hard liquor and add the second description. So in here, you can just simply input how much. So let's try 15. So the price you charge is $20.25. So on the price you charge, we also have different levels which can be also customized depending on you. So since we selected tax 1, the price that comes with the tax is $21.67. So you can add additional info. If it's sold by piece, weight on scale, weight, meter, barcoded, and that depends on you. So you have also here the unit size, unit type, modifier item, alternate SKUs, or tag along items. So once you are done, just click save. And it will prompt if you would like to add another item, and you can also duplicate an item. So we'll select no. So there you go, inventory added successfully. So we also have here the print labels. So you can select which type of printer, and then the category, preferred vendor, item number, description, and the department. So we also have here a keyboard, which is on-screen keyboard. For example, you're using a tablet or just a monitor. So we have here the on-screen keyboard. So this is the price level that I'm talking. So you'll just have to click enabled or no. So example enabled, and then save, exit. So as for the administrative, we also have different type of features that can help your business elevate. So I have here the customer maintenance, employee maintenance, the back order, and this is the most feature that the CRE has, which is reporting. So while you are away, you also want to check what happened to the sales of last week or yesterday, right? So we have here the different categories for the reporting. We have the sales, inventory, customer, employee, restaurant, and rentals. So as for the sale, we have different type of reports. So for example, the daily totals. So you can just simply start which date you want to see and which time do you want to see. And you'll just have here the criteria. So for example, you have numerous cashiers or employees, you can select here and the department, and depending on how many stations do you have on your store. And you can also select vendor. Once you've selected all the criteria that needed for the reporting to be displayed, just click display or print. We also have here the CRE dashboard. So in the CRE dashboard, this is the daily sales for day or month. So we have here the hourly net sales, the day comparison, the weekly sales, and currently clocking employees, daily trend, monthly department sales, the top 5 selling items, the yearly annual sales, and the monthly trend. And that's the end of the video. This
If you
is
have
just a
questions or
simply
inquiries,
a
please email
glimpse of
us
what
at
CRA has to offer.
info@healingpos.com or contact us through these
Thank you
channels. We
for
would be
watching.
glad to assist you. To book a demo, go to calendly.com/ChristineKalingPOS 30 minutes.